Did you know that you can bring 5 liters of Zamzam water internationally for free from Mecca to your country? How to do that? I'll show you in this video. Let's go. In Saudi Arabia, there are so many interesting activities to do. It's so sad that I'm leaving Jeddah airport itself alone is so interesting. I would like to spend a day here. How is it like to spend 24 hours in Jeddah airport? But before I leave, I'm planning to get 5 liters Zamzam water. For that, all you have to do is go to the place where they sell Zamzam water. They're gonna pack it for you, and you go to your check-in, and they will check in your Zamzam water with you, because it's not allowed to take Zamzam water with you in the plane as a carry bag. Person can get only 1 Zamzam water on their passport, so we are 2. We are getting 2 Zamzam. So I just gave my passport to them. It's 25 riyal. I just paid 25 riyals for 2 Zamzam water, 5 liters. Beautiful. Good karat. Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum salam.
By the way, I forgot to mention that you cannot bring your own Zamzam that you refill in the haram areas. You cannot refill them and bring them here and transport. You have to buy a particular brand. It's called King 𝐘𝐫𝐢𝐧𝐠 brand. So you buy that brand and then you can transport it. And you can only do that in the airport.
This one with you in your hand? And this one?
Got my Zamzam. That's going to Bangkok. Okay.
Inshallah.
I had to change the flight, and that made me get Zamzam.
See, whatever happens, happens for a good reason.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Sir. We are putting the Zamzam water in counter number 21.
Mashallah.
Yeah, we got the Zamzam water. You have to check in the Zamzam water first, where you check in your luggage, and after that you have to, they tell you to take your Zamzam water and check in separately again on a different counter. So we came to counter number 21. So when I arrived here in Bangkok, all I had to do is check out the digital board, and it was written there on which belt I'm going to get my Zamzam. That's how you select Zamzam. I'll see you in the next video. Yallah.